Now let's go over the AutoCut Silences feature. So over here in the sequence, we just have a little footage here from my previous tutorial. This is just me doing several takes of the introduction. So as I scrub through, you can quickly see that I screwed up many times before getting the right take. Now for this, what we'll do is we'll go over here to AutoCut Silences. And the first thing we can do is define the sections that we want to use. So we can use the entire timeline. We can use in and out points if you created those, or you can use selected clips. In this particular case, I'm going to use the entire timeline. So I'll click this, and you will see that it highlights a selection. We'll next go to Validate Sections. And in here, we can kind of do some fine tuning. So we can take a look at the noise threshold, where we can bring down the volume, the silences to a specific level. I'll just leave it at the default minus 35 dB. We can also select pacing. So if you want more of a calm or measured cutting of silences, we can do that. Or if you want it to be a little jumpier or more energetic, you can do that as well. I think in this particular case, I'm going to go with the calm preset. Now we can also create our own presets, specific presets with customized settings. But for now, I'll just leave this be. Under silence management, we can also choose to remove silences, keep silences, mute silences, or remove silences but keep spaces. In this case, I will just keep it at remove silences. You can also adjust the transitions between cuts. If you want none, you can click on none. If you want J cuts or L cuts or constant power, we can choose that as well. For now, I'm going to leave it at constant power. I'm going to go here and click on cut and delete silences and apply transitions. And it's going to kind of start to load, do its thing, start to remove those silences. And you can see here, the plugin doing its magic. The little firework finish, just for good measure. Now let's take a look and see what I came up with.
What's going on, guys? Again, at least it works. What's going on, guys? My name is Matthew, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
And there you go. So what it did was it cut out all of the silences from my many takes, and it allows me to go through the different takes and select which one that I like best for my introduction. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now, this saves me a lot of time when creating my YouTube tutorials, because when I go through the footage, I kind of have to go through the entire thing, add in cut points into my desired areas or my desired takes. And what the auto silence tool does here is it eliminates that process altogether, right? So it really streamlines the process, makes my job significantly easier, and I think it's fantastic.